Okay guys, welcome back to Pay Adventures, and today we're on a train from Sichuanbana to Kunming, and I got a lot of time on my hands, so I'm going to show you all the gear I use to shoot my vlogs. And obviously I'm an amateur, but I'll just show you what I have. So the main camera I use is the Pocket 3, DJI Pocket 3, and I shoot like 99% of my stuff using this camera because it's really high quality, and connects to two mics. So one mic I'm using right now is the DJI Mic 2, and if I have a companion, I also have the DJI Mic Mini, and that allows me to have really crystal clear sound, even if it's super loud environment. And I've also bought this case. It's like an aftermarket case by Star Trek. I don't know, I got it from Temu, possibly for free. And it basically clamps into the Pocket 3 here, and it totally protects the gimbal and everything. And I just chucked it straight in my pocket most of the time. And one other really useful clamp I have, which I think I got this for free as well from Temu, is this one here, and I use this most of the time as well. And this is from Sunny Life, and what it does is you clip this like that on there, and then it clips on and it turns it into like a clamp, and it's really easy to hold like this, and so you don't feel like you're ever going to drop it. And the most important thing is this bit here is magnetic, so like if you're in an urban environment like a city, there's a lot of like metal poles and stuff everywhere. It's super easy to just stick it on and you can just like talk to the camera. And if you click it this way, it turns it into like a stand as well. So this is probably my most used accessory for the Pocket 3, other than the mics, which I use all the time. I also bought this. It's like a wide-angle lens, and I bought this on AliExpress for like $18, I think, and it works really well. And basically, if I don't use it normally, but if I'm in a restaurant or something and it's quite tight, the space is quite tight, basically you can just clip it straight on like that, and it just gives you a little bit more wide angle, which is pretty useful. Take that off. What else do I have? Oh, for the Pocket 3, I bought this on AliExpress, which is a aftermarket power bank, and I think I paid about $19 for this as well. And basically I do use this a lot. I use it every single day, especially if I'm shooting a lot. Basically you just unclip this one. This is the stock one, and then you clip this over here, and that will start charging. So you can see it's starting to charge now, and this usually can charge it up to full from dead. And what I do is, what I do is once this is flat after charging it, so I can clip it on, keep filming, and then once this has gone flat, I also have just like a power bank, and I put this in here, chuck it in my backpack, and about an hour later it's fully charged again, ready to go. And this is a huge one. This is a I don't know how many, 5,000 or 50,000 milliamp hours. So I've got enough power for the entire day, no matter how far I go. What else have I got? I also bought this little thing. I bought this in KL, near the Sabang airport, and I think I paid about $2 for this. That's why I didn't get the creator combo for the Pocket 3. I already had a lot of stuff. So this thing can also turn into like a tripod. Oh, that's right. I've got another tripod I bought. I'll show you. There's one more tripod I bought as well. Give me a second. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So I bought this little mini tripod from AliExpress, I think, and I probably paid about $15 for it. I can't remember how much. But the cool thing about this one is it's very stealthy. So basically, you can just screw it onto the bottom here. Well, and you don't even notice that it's a tripod. But once you put it onto like a flat surface, it turns into a tripod. I don't use it very much anymore ever since I got this thing though. I thought this would be too bulky, but actually it's super useful and it's really good for just holding. Like I like to hold it like this so that it's not gonna fall out of my hands. So I don't use this one a lot anymore unless I don't have a lot of space to mount my tripod. This is good if you've got barely any space to mount your Pocket 3. And what else have I got? Oh yeah, I bought this thing. I bought this from AliExpress as well, and it's called a Ulanzi MT57. Basically, you can put this in your pocket. It's pretty small, but it extends out to 810 millimeters. It's not heaps tall, but it's enough to kind of like you can make it a kind of a standing tripod, maybe next to your seating area, next to if you're in a restaurant somewhere. And it also is good, like you can also use it for clipping to your Pocket 3 and use it as if I want to vlog and have a bit more distance between me and the camera. And also if you're in a if you want like really high, you want to be able to see above everything, it gives it kind of like a fake, like an artificial drone look. It's not very tall though, but there are taller ones that go to 1.5 meters, but they're not pocketable. So this is good, you can just chuck it in your pocket. This thing, which I showed before, also attaches to the bottom of this, so that you can stand it up any way you want. So everything can be put in your pocket. What else have I got? Inside here, more stuff that I use, but I don't use it very much. That's why it's put away, but I'll show you what I got anyway. So I've got, this is just a clamp for my action camera. So I am filming this on my DJI Action 4 camera, I use my action camera like when I'm doing anything dangerous, you know, maybe on a bicycle or snowboarding or going through an airport or something where you can't have the Pocket 3 because it's just too fragile and I only have one hand to shoot, so I'll use the DJI Action 4. I went for the Action 4 instead of the Action 5 because it's actually got the same sensor and I really don't use the Action 4 very much. It's only just for certain occasions, maybe swimming or something like that. I got this clamp from Temu, I think, for maybe $6. I haven't used it yet, but I can clip this to an action cam, or I can clip this to the Pocket 3, and this will be able to clamp to maybe a bicycle. So anything. I haven't used it yet though. I probably will use it soon. And I've got this light which I've never used before. Good thing about the Pocket 3 is it's so good in low light that you don't actually feel you need extra lighting. I got this, which came with my action camera, and I stuck this to my snowboarding helmet. So that's my snowboarding clip. And finally, I got this from my birthday. I haven't used it like for real yet. I've tested it out, but this is my DJI NEO drone. And the cool thing about this is you don't need a controller, or it's got like preset buttons here, and I could literally set it flying right now with two clicks of the button. and you can crash it and stuff, and it doesn't really get damaged. Anyway, that's it for my gear review. Let me know in the comments what you think of the gear that I'm using. Is there any other improvements or anything better that I could be using? Like, I'm not a professional. But yeah, anyway, that's it. Give us a like and sub if you enjoy this video. See you in the next video.